Welcome to our tutorial on how to show personalized ads on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, navigate to your Twitter profile by clicking on your profile icon. Next, locate the More option in the sidebar and click on it to access additional settings. Then, click on Settings and Privacy to delve deeper into your account settings. Within the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety, and scroll down to find the section labeled Personalization and Data. In this section, you will see the option for Personalize Ads. To stop Twitter from using your data for personalized ads, simply toggle the switch to turn off personalized ad settings. By following these steps, you can control the type of ads you see on X, Twitter, on your PC, ensuring a more tailored advertising experience based on your preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to manage personalized ads on X, Twitter, on your PC. Customize your settings to align with your preferences and enjoy a more personalized ad experience on the platform.